Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a quick share for you today. Wanted to share a loadout that I have on this MAXPEDITION Platy. It's a 5x7 pouch, two-sided. What I was looking for was something that I could put in my Tacoma console and have just a few tools, flashlight, that kind of stuff, that in the event that, you know, I needed a quick access to some tools, that I would have them. So let me kind of step you through what I've got in this pouch. You can see it's packed full, but it has a whole lot of tools in it. And then we'll go over some of the details of the MAXPEDITION Platy pouch itself. So first thing, it's got a little mini notebook here in case I needed to jot anything down. Second thing is this great pen. Really like this, from O-Pen or Olight. They make the O-Pen Mini 2. It's got a pen mechanism here, but then also out the top here, if you need a pencil for anything, it has pencil lead that comes out the top. So cool little tool. I also have a 6-inch pair of the Knipex Cobras. Love these guys. Perfect size for this pouch. Got another 6-inch pair of Knipex, or Knipex, if you will, water pump pliers. Another fantastic tool. Love these. Need to get some of the protectors for the jaws for them, but they are really, really nice and a great addition. So on the front side of this pouch, you can see you've got two slots right here. You've got the slot that I had the notebook in, but then you've also got some of this MOLLE webbing that you can put some additional things on. So that's cool. On the back side, I've got a utility blade. This is from O-Knife. Got O-Knife right there. And it is their U1 Pro. It's got a nice utility blade. I really love this one because it's got the full access to the blade there. And then on the back side, it has the mini bits. It's got a Phillips and a slot. Both of them lock. Got a belt clip. Really nice. In the other pouch, I've got the Nebo Edge 2K. I talked about this in a previous video, but this is a fantastic light that is just like astronomically bright, just crazy bright. It's got a locking mechanism on it, so it works well in the pouch too. So on the back side, you've got the two pouches there. Oh, one other thing on the outside, I have a set of tweezers. These are the Uncle Bill's Sliver Grippers. They are awesome also. They've got a cool little sheath, if you will, that you can put them into, and it locks them down, and it keeps them handy right there. I've got them attached here with a Night Eyes little mini S spooner. So on the inside, open it up. I've got a set of the Klein tools. This is the model number 32611P. This is their mini precision screwdriver. This thing is really nice. You can see got the precision head drivers or bits on it. It also has this as a magnet on this side. And then in the handle, it has a full array of double-sided bits on it. This thing is fantastic. All this stuff, I'll leave a link down in the description for you guys to check out. I've got a Duratec 1/4-inch flathead ratchet, or flex head, I'm sorry. Love this guy. It's got the nice switch for on and off. Rather than having to mess with the dial in any way. Comes with a extension If you need a little bit more purchase on something, use it as an extension here if you need a little bit more reach, or you can slide it through this way and use it as a T-handle because it has a 1/4 inch mount there on the bottom. So really cool. And with that, I have a set of the Makita 1/4 inch sockets in SAE and metric. These are fantastic. Got another little mount there and one here that we can utilize with the flex head to get that attached. So all those tools, that pile of tools, fit in this little bitty bag. So again, it's 5 by 7, 7 inches long, 5 wide. It's got a little belt or loop on the top, so you can hang it on anything that you want. On the back side, like we talked about, it's got the zipper enclosure, 2 slots there, YYK zippers, so good quality. On the other side, it's got the slot that I had my notebook in, 3 different mollies, and 2 open pouches there. So lots of possibilities that you can use with this MAXPEDITION Platy. They do make a smaller size, that's a 4 by 6, so if that fits your needs. But just wanted to share that and share what I came up with for my truck console toolkit. What I'll do is I'll leave links to all of this stuff in the description if anything caught your eye. But until next time, guys, we'll talk to you later.